So my son is a truck driver, and he's coming down a ramp, but I guess it was a right-hand sweeping ramp onto a transition to flat, quite a steep ramp, and kind of an abrupt transition to flat, and he had a lopsided load, and the trailer touched down on this fender, caved it all in. So I am going to attempt to fix it. Well, I roughed this out, just laid it on this piece of conveyor belt, banged the dents out with the big sledgehammer, the big body hammer. Stuff is a little tough to move. So now I'm just gonna spray it with a little bit of lubricant, and I'm gonna run the planishing hammer over it and see how it comes out. Here it is back on the truck. Not perfect. It's what I call good from far from good.